What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mikeyyywill here, back again with another video. But this time we are pretty much done with this build. This is the 1991 TRX 250X electric build. I built this with an Electro & Company kit. I can link the whole kit in the description. It comes with the motor, speed controllers underneath the seat right here, throttle, voltmeter, like power selector, everything comes with all that. You know what I'm saying? But like the hardest part is just like finding like a quad or something that like it would fit on and like be able to keep power. And I didn't know. I thought this would be a little bit lighter, but it turns out it's like the same way as the regular quads, but it's somewhat lighter in certain ways, and the frame is steel and weldable. I mean, not to say that like aluminum isn't either, but I don't know how to weld to aluminum, or even I don't even think I know anyone that does that. But we did a bunch of things, so basically like almost everything is not new, but like refurbished. Yeah, this battery was actually built for, I had that electric YZ, and I don't know, just this battery was more well suited for it. It means a little bit less capacity than the original battery, but I like this battery better. It was a little more safer, it had the copper strips, a little bit higher BMS, so we're seeing around 200 to 250 amps, which is, I don't know, like 20 something thousand watts, which is like ridiculous. This thing does wheelies, does everything. I also put a handbrake on this joint, but that's the one thing with electric quads, like there's no gears, so when let's say you're on a hill, you can't stop, you know what I'm saying? So you're literally just, you get off, you turn it off, it just rolls down the hill. But like this thing got this little brake, you can stop it. It's on right now if you haven't noticed, but you can't see that, you wouldn't even hear it, you know what I'm saying? But I don't want to talk too long. If I haven't already said this, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop some likes, drop some comments. Everything helps, guys. Everything helps. But yeah, I just want to get into this, show you guys a little more about how it performs on the street, on the dirt. I'm going to see if we can find some trails to ride on. Everything's kind of been cut down by developers and stuff like that. But let's game on, folks. Let's do it. I did a couple things to this thing that aren't really specified in this video, and then I didn't really like post about too much. I put lights like on the switch right here. Obviously these come down, they're not on a 12-volt battery, they are 12-volt lights, but all they are is just run to a same 12-volt switch with a step down converter. This switch over here, or right here, or right there, that's for the fans for the inside the case right here. Like you can see that, like behind the back in there. And there's one underneath the airbox and the speed controller. And you can't really see because it's daytime, but I'm turning the lights on here now. There is a light back there for like nighttime riding or whatever you're doing, so people can still see you, because I know they ain't gonna hear you, you know what I'm saying? That's what the lights look like when they're going and stuff. Handbrake setup with this joint. Oh, and last thing, I can't seem to find this scoop. I don't know where I put it. I probably gotta order another one. It's like the last little piece. I gotta get this thing to look normal. Don't mind the hole back there. You guys gonna see like this Voltron like flapping up a storm, because I was focusing more on, I guess, like performance and making sure everything was good, everything was working properly. But we here like I don't know what percentage we're at. Oh. Did I forget to mention this thing has brake brakes? Yeah, this thing locks up crazy. Check, you guys, look on the streets, see what this thing can do. Like a little rear wobble or something, I don't know. And I think I have to do the air pressure. I'll figure it out. I'm not sure if the rotor is bent up front because I got a front wobble that feels kind of weird. Most of the time I do wheelies in mode 2, mode 1 I haven't really tried, and mode 3 is like a little bit overkill. You get a little wobble, it's in the front. Don't mind that. Alright, made it to the trails. It's a little bit rougher than I remember, gang. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Wait a minute. Oh, there was definitely a bridge here. Oh man. Yo, not bad. Wait, what is... Everything's different now. Looks like they done did something different back here. It's a random brick. Yeah, they definitely did some stuff back here. This is like my actual first time taking this thing since I first like built it, like back here. Well, I don't think I ever took this thing back here with this not leaves on the ground and stuff. But it's not bad, it's not bad. Yeah, these are like all new trails. Like I don't even know half of this. Let's put this thing in mode 2, let her eat a little bit. They didn't get everything. They got a lot of this stuff though. But we still got the main like little joint back here. Oh, I got wet. I did not want to do that. Nice. But yeah, people, I don't know. People should put some respect on electric. I'm just chilling. Like, I'm sure the neighbors don't hear me, probably other than like I'm talking, and then like all the rickety and rackety of like me not bolting everything down tight with the plastic and stuff, other than like the seat. But nah, yo, someone cleaned up back here. I lose something? No, I thought I lost something. Oh, my feet are soaked. I'm out here. I should have wore boots. Yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, this used to be like a whole part. It's gone now. Maybe, oh, they definitely got the track. Crap. And that's all good. We still got a little bit left to enjoy. Yeah, not bad. Still showing at 80 volts. Got a little mud on the tires first time. This tire's really seen me in the dirt. Those are brand new as well. So yeah, first time for everything. This thing rips, guys. 80 volts left. Started with 81. You know what I'm saying? This thing, I'm projecting maybe 2.5 hour ride time, maybe 3, depending on if you're going slow or fast. You're going fast, maybe 2, but probably 3. On the other battery, I was looking at maybe like 4 to 5 hour ride time because it had 200 cells in it. This one has 160 to conserve weight, and that was definitely a better option because now it comes up a lot easier versus with the other battery. I know this ain't no crazy hill climb, but we about to hit a little one right here. It's definitely quick, and see what this thing's got. That was a little underwhelming. Pretty smooth. Oh, going up in this bamboo. Oh, but look, no, one hand, no clutch. Focusing more on the ride and everything else. Obviously, this thing doesn't compare to, like, I'm putting a Stark motor and a Stark battery in this thing. Like, that's not fair, man. Like, they didn't build that, they just bought that, and more power to them. Like, I wish I could do the same. I'm not hating though, but I got different abilities. I was able to make a battery, do everything myself, with some help from some friends, you know, and whatever the department they could help in. Let me get this thing back. Got more content coming soon, guys. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Cause I got to see a little bit of wheelies. Like, I gotta do a top speed run on this thing, but I want to make sure some things are more dialed in before I do that range test, all that stuff. But yeah, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like, comment, everything, you know, drop it, just spam it up, you guys. Like, I spend so much time just like looking for other people that built similar things, but I don't know, I see like weird stuff. Not weird, some stuff just like too quick, you don't really know what they're doing, and then other times just like, I don't know, they showed like 2 minutes of it riding, and I'm like, how do I know that I didn't break down like 20 minutes after that? But I'll keep you guys updated with everything that's coming. Got more stuff I want to do with this thing, got more projects coming soon too, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. Peace.